Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over another premium medium question in the database category that I just solved on my own. So again, I'm really glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this problem without any assistance. And so yep, let me show you how I did it. This one is called number of accounts that did not stream, number 2020. So basically they're asking you to write a SQL query to report the number of accounts that bought a subscription in 2021. So we're looking at the start and the end date inclusive, but did not have any stream session. And then, so basically what that means is look at all the account IDs. And if the start date or the end date is 2021, either or, then you know that's potentially an answer. And then we want to collect all those account IDs. Then we go over to the streams table, and basically if that account ID never has a stream date of 2021, then we just want to remove it from the subscriptions table. And in that case, number 4 and 9 fit this category. So 4 has 2021, 9 has 2021, but they both don't have 2021 in the streams table. And then you just want to return how many account IDs fit that, and then yep, that's it. So let's go ahead and do that. Basically, I just declared a dictionary. And basically, actually, we can just say, because we want all the good account IDs, so for IS in enumerate subscriptions, account ID. So we're only interested in this. So we can say start date, end date is subscriptions. Start dates of I, and then we want to basically turn that into a string, split it, and get 0. So we can only get this because there's like a nasty 000 colon because this is the date time originally. And do the same thing with the end dates. So split it. 0, and let's print SDED. Okay, so again, we're only interested in this, so let's split it again by the dashes. So SD equals SD.split by the dash. Same with ED. And then we want to say if SD of 0, because it's going to be a list with 1 element, 2 elements, 3 elements. So if the first element is equal to 2021 or the same with the end date list, because I said they're going to be either inclusive is equal to 2021, then we can go ahead and append the account ID to good. Okay? So if we print good, you can see this is what it looks like. So now we go over to the streams table. And basically, let's loop through good because we might want to remove some things. So, and then we can loop through the streams, stream dates. So, okay, so basically we want to see if this account ID is ever 2021. So we can just say if streams, so the same thing, current is S string of S. So taking this, doing the same thing as above, dot split 0. I'm just trying to think like the is this going to be duplicate? Because if they're duplicates, let's say this one is 2020, but if 9 appears again, we can't just say it's false. So maybe we have to check against good, but let me just try something. This is s.split, and then same thing as here. And then if cur of 0 is equal to 2021, So how about, yeah, let's do it the opposite way. If it's equal to 2021, then you know it's a good one, right? So we're not going to remove that one. So let's go ahead and say safe safe.append g, and let's print safe and good. So stream date, you have to compare the account ID first. So if streams account ID of I is equal to G, then we can do this. That's what I was thinking about. Okay, cool. So now you can notice that 4 and 9 are not inside of safe. So we can just say the difference is length of good minus length of safe. And then, yeah, that's basically what we need. We can just set result to a data frame, set the accounts count equal to diff as a list, and then just return result. I think this should be good, so let's run it. Okay, submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. Again, I'm really glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this problem without any help and solve it on my own. Even though the runtime isn't great, again, as I've said before, this channel represents my own work, so I'm pretty proud of that. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.